The Panasonic LUMIX S1RII marks a significant advancement in full-frame mirrorless cameras, crafted for professionals and passionate enthusiasts who expect top-tier image quality and dependable performance. With its high-resolution sensor, sophisticated autofocus, and rugged construction, the S1RII is built to excel in demanding situations. Panasonic's commitment to innovation is evident in its sharp image output and seamless operation, while the ergonomic layout and intuitive controls ensure a comfortable shooting experience. This thoughtful integration of technology and usability distinguishes the S1RII from many competitors. Continuing with its reputation for durability, the S1RII features a robust, weather-sealed body that withstands frequent use in challenging conditions. The comfortable grip and strategically positioned controls make extended shoots easier, and the camera's design strikes a balance between style and practicality. Photographers can work outdoors with confidence, knowing the camera is protected from dust, moisture, and light rain. This focus on build quality and user comfort is evident throughout the S1RII's construction, setting the stage for its impressive imaging capabilities. At the heart of the S1RII is its remarkable sensor, which produces images with outstanding sharpness and detail. The camera's wide dynamic range captures both highlights and shadows with precision, resulting in natural and vibrant photos. Accurate color reproduction and strong low-light performance further enhance its versatility, allowing users to achieve professional-grade results across a variety of shooting scenarios. The S1RII's autofocus system is designed to keep pace with fast-moving subjects and challenging lighting. It quickly and reliably locks onto targets, making it ideal for continuous shooting and action photography. Advanced tracking features help ensure that fleeting moments are captured with clarity, contributing to a smooth and confident shooting experience. Filmmakers and content creators will find the S1RII's video capabilities versatile and robust. With support for multiple recording formats, including high-resolution 4K and adjustable frame rates, users can tailor footage to their creative vision. The camera's advanced stabilization delivers smooth, professional video, while intuitive menus and customizable controls streamline the production process. These features make the S1RII a flexible tool for a variety of video projects. Practical connectivity and power management features further enhance the S1RII's appeal. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing and transferring files straightforward, while dependable battery life and USB charging support extended sessions. Dual card slots offer flexible storage options, catering to both backup and separate management of photos and videos. These conveniences make the S1RII suitable for both personal and professional use. When compared to other cameras in its class, the S1RII stands out for its robust build, high-resolution sensor, and reliable autofocus. Its weather-sealing and ergonomic design contribute to comfort and durability, and its image quality often surpasses similarly priced competitors. However, users should be aware of its larger size and the learning curve of its menu system. While its video features are strong, some alternatives offer more advanced hybrid options. Ultimately, the S1RII is ideal for those who prioritize resolution and reliability, though it's wise to consider your specific needs before making a decision. Overall, the S1RII impresses with its exceptional image quality, sturdy build, and responsive autofocus, making it a top choice for professionals. Its reliable sensor and weather sealing ensure consistent results in various environments. While the camera's weight and price may be factors for some, and the lens selection is still growing, those seeking durability and premium performance will find much to appreciate. If you're considering alternatives, lighter or more budget-friendly options may also be worth exploring. To sum up, the Panasonic LUMIX S1RII offers a compelling blend of performance, image quality, and user-friendly design, making it a strong contender for photographers at any level. If you have experience with this camera or thoughts on its features, feel free to share your perspective below to help others make informed choices. Thank you for joining us for this review.